Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Friends, this reading is for Shiv Sena versus Kangana Ranawat. Now, few days back, Kangana Ranawat said something like she compared living in Mumbai with POK or something like that. I don't know exactly what she said, but in turn, Shiv Sena spokesperson Mr. Sanjay Raut used abusive word haramkhor for actress Kangana Ranaut, and thereafter this matter has taken an ugly turn. Now they Shiv Sena leaders and even the few others have issued threats that she should not come back to Mumbai, this and that. But center has given her Y level security, central government, and when she came back here today on 9th September, today morning only, her BMC has demolished her office, which was later stayed by demolition was stayed by High Court. Now, any fifth standard boy can also make out that this is a kind of vendetta politics. But was this necessary? Means I am really surprised, because the person who is responsible for making of this government is Mr. Sharad Pawar, and he is a he is a smart politician. He knows in and out of politics, but still these things are happening right under his nose. So that is very surprising. So what is he thinking right now? This card came. Sharad Pawar, for Mr. Sharad Pawar. So looks like things have gone just the opposite way. What he was thinking, things have gone just opposite way. That's what I can make out from this card. Now, future of Shiv Sena. Before the future of Shiv Sena, here card for Uddhav Thackeray. Whatever is happening, so what is he thinking about this? So this is a card, Fool card. Now look at this small dog is barking and telling this person to be cautious, that he might fall into this gorge, but this person is carefree. So that's the position of Mr. Uddhav Thackeray. Mr. Sanjay Raut, when he gave that statement of Haram Khor, this was the position. He felt that he has done a very good thing, but then now he is defensive. When everybody is up against him, he is feeling defensive. Now Kangana Ranaut, this is her present Hierophant card. So looks good. Then next few days, say September, month of September, this card indicates that she is planning something, planning for her future, and she is going to take her step very soon. So what kind of step she will be taking? This is the card. this card indicates that. Now look at this person. He is sitting on a horse. He is having a king like something on his head, and he is a leader. So indication that she might be getting into politics very soon. Now, will she get Rajya Sabha nomination from BJP? Very high chances that she might get a Rajya Sabha nomination from BJP very soon. Now, this decision of Shiv Sena of demolishing her office, Kangana Ranawat's office, what is the outcome? They have done, in confusion, they had taken a wrong decision hurriedly. They had taken a wrong decision. This card clearly indicates, and we can see the after effects. The whole sympathy has gone towards Kangana Ranawat, and everyone can see that they are doing vendetta politics. Kangana Ranawat, outcome. Now she has got a base, and now she can grow from here. She can only grow from here. At the end, outcome will be in favor of Kangana Ranawat. She will after this confrontation, she will come out as winner. That's what I can see. So that's it. Hope you like this reading. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep giving me your ideas, suggestions and feedbacks. Thank you.